Welcome to Moter Vision, your ultimate source for all things automotive. If you're a fan of luxury, power, and off-road performance wrapped into one beast of a machine, then you're in for a treat. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz G500, a legendary icon reborn with modern upgrades that push boundaries, while staying true to its rugged heritage. So buckle up and get ready to explore everything that makes the 2026 G500 a standout in the world of luxury SUVs. The G-Class has always been more than just a vehicle. It's a statement. And the 2026 G500 takes that statement to the next level with an evolved design language. Cutting-edge technology and unmatched off-road capability, Mercedes-Benz hasn't just updated the G500. They've re-engineered it to redefine what a luxury SUV can be. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 G500, you know this is something special. It maintains the iconic boxy silhouette that enthusiasts love, but with smoother surfaces, tighter lines, and a more aerodynamic stance. The updated LED headlamps are sleeker and more aggressive, paired with a redesigned grille that proudly displays the signature three-pointed star. Flared wheel arches house massive alloy wheels that give this SUV a commanding presence, whether it's cruising the city streets or climbing rocky terrain. Under the hood, the 2026 G500 doesn't disappoint. It comes powered by a revised 4.0-liter, twin-turbocharged V8 engine, now more efficient and refined while still delivering jaw-dropping performance. With over 420 horsepower and 610 Nm of torque, this powerhouse effortlessly handles everything from high-speed highway sprints to mud-soaked mountain trails. The 9-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, while the updated 4MATIC all-wheel drive system distributes power intelligently to tackle even the harshest conditions. But what truly sets the G500 apart is its unparalleled off-road capability. Mercedes-Benz has equipped this model with a trio of locking differentials, a low-range transfer case, and adaptive suspension settings that can handle steep climbs, deep water, and unpredictable terrain with ease. Whether you're navigating a desert or a dense forest trail, the 2026 G500 transforms any environment into your playground. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of elegance and innovation. The cabin is a masterclass in luxury, blending top-quality materials like Napa leather, brushed aluminum, and open-pore wood trim. The attention to detail is second to none. Every switch, stitch, and surface has been crafted to perfection. Ambient lighting in 64 colors, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof elevate the in-cabin experience to first-class standards. Taking center stage on the dashboard is the next-generation MBUX infotainment system. Now with a larger 15-inch touchscreen display and AI-enhanced voice control, everything is just a command away. Whether it's adjusting the climate, setting navigation, or playing your favorite track, digital instrument clusters give you real-time performance metrics and off-road data, ensuring you're always in control. Mercedes-Benz hasn't skimped on safety either. The 2026 G500 is loaded with next-gen driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system with terrain mode gives you full visibility when maneuvering in tight or rugged spaces, making it as safe as it is capable. And let's talk about ride comfort. While the G500 still retains that solid body-on-frame construction, new adaptive dampers and noise canceling enhancements make this the smoothest and quietest G-Class to date. You get that commanding SUV driving position with the ride quality of a luxury sedan, whether you're navigating city traffic or taking on a cross-country road trip. The G500 ensures that every mile is a pleasure. One of the most exciting updates for 2026 is the enhanced personalization options. Mercedes now offers more paint finishes, wheel designs, and interior themes than ever before. You can customize nearly every aspect of your G500 to reflect your unique personality, whether you want rugged functionality or ultra-modern luxury. For those wondering about efficiency, Mercedes has also made strides in sustainability. The new engine meets stricter emission standards and features intelligent start-stop technology to optimize fuel consumption. There's also talk of a plug-in hybrid variant joining the lineup soon, appealing to eco-conscious drivers who still want that G-Wagon charisma. All of this doesn't come cheap, of course. The 2026 G500 sits in the upper tier of the luxury SUV market, but for good reason. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, a status symbol, a legend that continues to evolve while honoring its past. Whether you're buying it for the prestige, the capability, or the sheer joy of owning a mechanical masterpiece, the G500 delivers in every way imaginable. And there you have it, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz G500, a luxury SUV that's as versatile as it is iconic. It's built for those who demand excellence, both on and off the road. If you're looking for power, presence, and performance with a touch of old-school charm, the G500 should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching Moter Vision. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and exclusive previews of the hottest cars in the world. Let us know in the comments. What do you think about the new G500? Is it the ultimate SUV, or are you waiting for something even bigger? Stay tuned, and as always, keep driving forward.